So, hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are waiting for the BITSAT counseling process to start, so here is urgent information and सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. Also there will be a moderated final score. Whatever you have got on the screen, there may be some 4-5 marks increment. I don't think there will be decrement, but increment in the marks will be there. So accordingly you need to do the counseling process that will start from 5th of June. Earlier it was 1st of June, that is the starting date, up to 28th, that was the date, that is earlier date, but now it is 5th June up to 28th of June. And here you can check the detail as well, that is from 5th the counseling will start. And on 4th you will get the session 1 a scorecard, that is here you can check, available by 4th of June. Once the result will be available, that is your updated moderated score, I will update you through a separate video. So please try to subscribe the channel. Soon I will try to provide you a detailed video regarding the counseling process, how you need to do the counseling, after each iteration what are the decision making you need to make, everything I will provide you. And if you want personal guidance one-to-one from me, you can contact me not only for BITSAT but for all counseling across India and all college. If you're confused between multiple college, whether you should join this college or that college, I will guide you for that also. For all counseling, Manipal, COMEDK, KSET, AEEE, JOSA counseling, MST, CET, all type of counseling I will guide you. If you want, you can contact me in the next section. You will be able to check the detail. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, AEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. Hope you get the details. So here is the information. Once you go into the date section, they have provided earlier date was 1st June up to 28th of June, but now apply for admission with class 12 mark and preference of program, that is choice filling you have to make. Many of you will think that I will do second attempt first, that is I will appear, thereafter I will think whether I should go for counseling or not. So that will not be the case, because 28 is the last date for the examination, and suppose on 28 you will appear, and on the same date is the closing date for the counseling process. So I think you will face problems. So beforehand you have to register, and accordingly you have to make the choices. So for that I will help you based on your score and whatever you are expecting. In the second attempt, if there will be requirement to change the preferences after the second attempt, that is also available. From 29th to 30th you will able to edit of marks, that is editing of marks and preference in application form. You can update your marks also if you are appearing for improvement in any state examination, and you will get the improved score. You can apply for that also, that is you can update that also. And thereafter the counseling process will start from 3rd of July, first iteration, second, third, thereafter there will be 4th, 5th, 6th iteration also. So different type of thing will be there. So this is a urgent update regarding the BITSAT counseling process. You will get the updated marks tomorrow by I think evening 7 to 8 p.m. Once I will get the confirmation, I will update you. That is the updated moderator score is available in your login page. Kindly check it. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe the channel, and if you want the guidance, contact me, because that will help you to get into the best possible college and best branch. Thank you.